Indresh Upadhyay ji. Welcome to Chat on Bharat Marg. Glad to have you here, right? And really we want to know, you are in a perfect time, you know. Guru Purnima is coming. Say our audience that what is the specialty of Guru Purnima and what is the relation, so many full moon days are coming. Why this is so special and what is the thing it has to do with the Sanatana Dharma and how to celebrate it?
Yeah. Actually, it's our human nature, whether we are Western culture, whether we are Hindu culture, we are following some days, special days in our life. Like if we are not celebrating anything except that we also celebrate our birthday, that the day we got a birth. Just kind like that only, in normally way if I say, we celebrate our Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthday, daughter's birthday, son's birthday, everything we are celebrating all the time. Like after marriage we celebrate anniversary also.
Friends, before going further, we at bharatmarg.com are involved in Sanatana Dharma Prachar and also exposing all anti-Hindu activities and fighting for our Deshan Dharma. Join hands with us by liking www.facebook.com/bharatmarg page, also at Twitter at bharatmarg, and YouTube just by subscribing, also clicking on that notification button to get an instant update as we post important updates and videos. You can also become the part of our WhatsApp club to get one dharmic message a day which goes around the world by sending us a message at +1 647 964 4790.
The particular day of Guru Purnima, if we want to know it logically, what is it? The Guru, what is the meaning of Guru? In Sanskrit we say Gu karastu andhakarasyat. Like if we make Sandhi Vichhed, like Gu and Ru. The Gu karastu andhakarasyat. The meaning of Gu is darkness. And Ru karastu nirodhaka. And the meaning of Ru is to destroy that darkness, is the meaning of Guru. So we are celebrating Guru Purnima in just a form of that we are missing those people, or we are we can say हम उनका स्मरण कर रहे हैं उन लोगों का जिन्होंने हमें जीवन में कुछ प्रदान किया है. Like today I am sitting, I am putting tilak, I am having choti, I am wearing dhoti, I am wearing kurta. I have one swaroop on myself. Who gave me this? My Guru, who told me that I should put this tilak, who told me I should have choti. So I am just remembering those gurus on this day who made me a human. So Guru Purnima in a logical way to remember those people who made you, who means जिन्होंने आपका निर्माण किया है, उनका स्मरण करने का दिन होता है गुरु पूर्णिमा का. और आध्यात्मिक रूप से यदि समझा जाए कि गुरु पूर्णिमा क्या है, what is गुरु पूर्णिमा, तो Guru is our like third parent, mother, father, and third one is Guru. And Guru can be anybody. There is not a particular human being. I think from my side that Guru is not a human being. Guru is just a Vani, just a voice. I can speak in Hindi very
no
properly.
Problem, no worries.
कि वाणी को गुरु कहा जाता है. आप किसी शरीर को गुरु नहीं कह सकते. Today we both are meeting here. If I say something very good, you will be remember that thing till your last breath. On your last breath, you can like आप मेरा चेहरा भूल जाओगे. Like how was Indresh ji looking like when he came to Canada, but you will not forget that what I have said. वाणी गुरु होती है, शरीर गुरु नहीं होता, स्वरूप गुरु नहीं होता. और हमें किसी की भी वाणी से कुछ भी सीखने को मिल रहा है तो that is गुरु. तो we are following that guru on the Purnima. Why Purnima? मन के देवता हैं चंद्रमा. कोई एक शरीर नहीं होता, गुरु एक वाणी होती है. And the particular day of Purnima. What is Purnima? In our Shastras, many things have told that Like, we only get good thoughts in the morning time only. Why? Not in the evening time, not in the night time, only in the morning time. Because at that time, sun gives two types of rays, lalat and vibrat, which gives us a new thoughts and everything. Like that, in our shastras, there is mentioned that मन के देवता कौन है? मन के देव कौन है? मन के देव हैं चंद्रमा. मन is the thing जिसके बगैर हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Like we both are talking here, Vivek ji asked me to come here. At that time also, I will ask to someone else that you want to go, and that is Man. I will ask him, you want to go there? He will say yes, I want to go. Then I will be coming here. उसके देवता कौन है? उसके देव हैं चंद्रमा. And the guru form, if you are listening to a guru, and that time, whether you are watching somewhere else, whether you are doing something, but if your man is there, whatever he is speaking, then it will be perfect for you. आपका शरीर कुछ भी कर रहा हो, लेकिन आपका मन यदि ध्यान से गुरु के पास ही हो, मन यदि गुरु के पास ही हो, तो you don't need to like convert your any indriya of your body part to listen Guru. Only the thing which wants you to like fully devotion to your Guru is मन. तो मन के देवता है चंद्रमा. और जब चंद्रमा पूर्ण रूप से अपने पूर्ण आकार में होते हैं, तभी गुरु पूर्णिमा का उत्सव मनाया जाता है. फिर हमारे पूर्वाचार्यों ने और हमारे विद्वज्जनों ने एक तिथि निकाल करके गुरु पूर्णिमा का उत्सव रखा कि इस दिन लोग अपने गुरु को मानेंगे, गुरु को पूजेंगे. तो दिस इज द फॉर्म ऑफ गुरु पूर्णिमा. This was the main purpose of Guru Purnima.
Fantastic. Thank you.